Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up payout method for Facebook account step by step. So let's get started. First, open Meta Business Suite and log into your account. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left side and click on monetization. Now select the monetization tool you want to use and begin the setup process. Next, read and accept the terms and conditions. Then click Get Started. If you already have a payout account but want to create a new one, click Create New Business and continue. Now enter your legal first name, surname, date of birth, and country. Click Verify Details to proceed. After that, enter your business information. Select your country and choose your business type. If you are an individual, enter your legal name, address, phone number, and email. Then click Next. If you have a business, enter your business name, address, phone number, and legal owner details. Make sure the name associated with your tax ID matches the name on your Facebook account. This is important for successful payments. Now, choose your payout method. You can sign in to your bank account, manually enter bank details, or connect your PayPal account. Select your preferred option and click Link Payout Method. Next, add your tax information. Choose your tax classification, enter your tax ID details, address, and complete the required tax form. Once your information is verified, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done, and your Facebook payout account will be ready to receive payments.